adding like terms. Let's say we have this expression, x plus 2x plus 3x. Since this is x and this is 2x and this is 3x, we can add them together and the result is 6x. If we back up a little bit, just remember when we write 2x, we mean 2 times x, which is the same thing as 2x's, x plus x. Same thing, 3x, we really mean 3 times, but we don't write out the multiplication sign. 3 times x, and this means 3 x's, so x plus x plus x. So if we have, for example, let's say x plus x, we can simplify it as 2x, which is what we started with. Same thing here, if we see this, x plus x plus x, we can write it as 3x, which is the same thing we started with. With this in mind, let's go back and do this exercise again, and then we're going to try a couple of other examples which are a little bit more difficult. We just count the x's. 1x plus 2x plus 3x is 6x, total of 6x. How about 2x minus 7x plus 5x? Let's start with these two, this one and this one. 2x minus 7x is minus 5x, so the result of this is minus 5x. Just keep this in mind. Minus 5x and then plus 5x, well, 0x, so we can write 0x, but we're not gonna do that, we're just gonna write 0, because 0 times x is 0, so the result is 0. How about this one? Minus 3x minus 2x plus x. When we write x, we could write 1x, but since 1 times x is just 1x or x, we're not going to write out the 1. But this is really what it means, 1x, when we see x. So minus 3x minus 2x. Let's do these first. We have minus 3 and then minus 2. It becomes minus 5x, right? Minus 5x plus x or plus 1x. We can think plus 1x. So we have minus 5x plus 1x becomes minus 5 plus 1 is minus 4x. Same thing if we have some other variables, let's say 2a plus 3a minus a. 2a plus 3a is 5a, and then minus 1a is gonna be 4a. That's the answer. Sometimes you're gonna see these expressions where we have, let's say, a variable. Let's use k. 2k plus k, and then you see a number plus 7 minus 5k plus 2. So then we're gonna have to work out the k's first. Remember the minus sign here. It's minus 5k. It's not 5k. It's minus 5k. So we're going to work these out first, and then we're going to do the normal numbers. The 7, the plus 7, and the plus 2. So let's do 2k plus k minus 5k. 2k plus k is 3k. Minus 5k is minus 2k. And then let's do the numbers. 7 plus 2. It's plus 7 plus 2 is plus 9. And this is the answer because we can't simplify it anymore. The k's are over here and the numbers are over here. Let's do another one. 2a minus 7 plus b minus 2 plus 7a minus 3b plus 6 minus b. This was a long example. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms. Let's start with the a's. Okay, 2a plus 7a. That's all the a's. Okay, let's start with the a's. 2a plus 7a is 9a. Then how about the b's? Plus b minus 3b. It's very important to remember the sign. It's minus 3b. It's not 3b. Minus 3b and then minus b. Plus b minus 3b is minus 2b. And then minus another b is 1. Minus 3 is minus 2. And then minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 3b. And then we're gonna do the numbers. Minus 7 minus 2 plus 6. Minus 7 minus 2 is minus 9, and then plus 6 is minus 3. So this is the final answer in this exercise. So we started with this and we ended up with this expression simplified.